I was asked this question when I was giving a presentation to about 5,000 Fijians a few years ago. They asked me, is coconut oil good for you? Because they had been told that it was bad. And so I asked them a question. Were your ancestors healthy? There was a silence. And then these 5,000 Fijians began to laugh. Because they were very healthy. When Captain Cook landed on those South Pacific Islands, he was confronted with the most magnificent specimens of humanity he had ever seen. The men were tall, strong, agile. They had perfect teeth. The women were very beautiful. They had beautiful, long, silky hair. In some islands it was a little shorter. He had a little bit of trouble with his men. The women were so beautiful. And what did they eat every meal?
Meet Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned expert in natural health and wellness. With decades of experience and a deep understanding of holistic medicine, Dr. O'Neill offers practical advice and remedies to improve quality of life and manage common health issues. Her approach blends traditional wisdom with modern science, providing valuable guidance for those seeking natural solutions to their health concerns. According to Dr. Barbara, coconut oil is an edible oil derived from the flesh or kernel of mature coconuts harvested from coconut trees. It's commonly used in cooking and baking, as well as in cosmetics and health products. Recently, coconut oil has become increasingly popular as a superfood, touted for its various health benefits. Advocates of this tropical oil suggest that it can enhance brain function and improve skin health. Among those endorsing its advantages is Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a respected naturopath and health educator. In today's video, we will delve into the health benefits of coconut oil as highlighted by Dr. Barbara O'Neill and explore ways to incorporate it into your routine.
Recently I was talking to a couple. The lady was Samoan, her husband was Hawaiian. They were in their mid-40s. And they said, yes, that's what we grew up. That we grew up with coconut in every single meal. The BHSC method uses Bible, history, science, and common sense. Is coconut oil in the Bible? No, it is not. But then again, the Bible was not written in the South Pacific Islands. The Bible talks about olive oil because where the Bible was written, that was the oil of use at the time. The coconut has been used for centuries.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill asserts that our ancestors prospered thanks to coconut oil, which has a beneficial nutritional composition. This oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, which are known for their ability to combat microbes and reduce inflammation. These fatty acids are readily digested and transformed into energy, making them particularly effective for enhancing metabolic health.
And I'm very thankful for Dr. Bruce Fife, who has written many books on the coconut oil. In fact, I can't tell you how many, but I think it might be up to 6 or 7 or maybe even 8 by now. One's the miracle oil, coconut oil. Another one is coconut cures. Another one is oil pulling. Another one is his books on neurological problems. His book, Stop Autism Now, talks about all neurological problems in children. And his other book, Stop Alzheimer's Now, talks about all neurological problems in adults. And the remedy is coconut oil. And he shows in there that because coconut oil is high in medium-chain fatty acids, the liver breaks it down to ketones. And he shows that ketones are neurohealers, neuroprotectors. It is a remarkable oil. I believe Dr. Bruce Fife should be receiving a Nobel Prize for his books on the coconut oil because he shows the science behind what history has already shown us, that the South Pacific Islanders endured magnificent health.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill has consistently praised Dr. Bruce F., a leading authority on the health benefits of coconut oil. Dr. Bruce F., often referred to as Dr. Coconut, has extensively documented how coconut oil can enhance brain function. He has even suggested that coconut oil may help prevent or reverse the effects of Alzheimer's disease. His research highlights that the medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil can be converted into ketones, which the brain can utilize as an alternative energy source. This is particularly significant for those with neurodegenerative conditions, where the brain struggles to use glucose effectively. Ketones can provide the brain with energy, potentially stabilizing neurons and reducing cognitive decline. As a result, some researchers and health experts, including Dr. O'Neill, advocate for incorporating coconut oil as a dietary supplement for individuals with Alzheimer's or other cognitive impairments.
Until the white man came with his 5 lethal whites. What are the 5 lethal whites? White rice, white flour and its products, white sugar, white salt, and the white dairy milk. It is those 5 lethal whites that are causing the problems that we see in the South Pacific Islands today. A lot of the people are obese. It's not because of the coconut oil, it's because they've stopped the coconut oil. It's because those white products gives too much glucose into the body and it has to be stored as fat. That's why they are big. And the pancreases are getting worn out. There was no diabetes, no heart disease on the island until white man came.
While coconut oil offers many health benefits, Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of eliminating harmful foods from the diet, particularly the 5 lethal whites: white rice, white brights, white fly, and its derivatives, white sugar, and white dairy milk. According to Dr. O'Neill, these processed foods contribute significantly to many contemporary health problems, such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. These refined white foods lose their natural nutrients during processing, resulting in items that are calorie-dense but nutritionally poor. For instance, white sugar can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Likewise, white bread and white rice are refined grains that lack essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can result in weight gain and digestive issues. Dr. O'Neill advocates for minimizing these harmful foods and replacing them with healthier options like whole grains, natural sweeteners, and unprocessed dairy. She believes that making these dietary changes can greatly enhance health and lower the risk of chronic diseases.
They listened to the white man because he brought in technology, he brought in many reforms. Some of those islanders were cannibals. They showed them what a wonderful thing it is to serve God and what freedom it is to be freed from these evil practices. So they trusted the white man. But unfortunately, they could have shown the white man how to eat. When I say unfortunately, it's because they believe the white man, and it was good and right that they believe him in many ways, but not regarding his diet. So the coconut oil is a remarkable.
While Dr. Barbara O'Neill and many others highlight the health benefits of coconut oil, not all health experts are in agreement. Some express concerns that the high saturated fat content in coconut oil might outweigh its advantages, especially for those at risk for heart disease. It's important to note, however, that the saturated fats in coconut oil differ from those found in animal products like butter and meat. Additionally, coconut oil offers a range of benefits, including skin and hair care, enhancing shine for both, aiding in weight management, supporting cardiovascular health, boosting energy levels, and more. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes that moderation is essential. Like any dietary fat, achieving balance and variety is crucial. Incorporating coconut oil into a healthy, whole foods-based diet can be beneficial, but it's also vital to include other sources of healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, and avocados. If you have enjoyed this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update on health tips and more.